Hey, good morning. It is Julie, Friday, May 29th, 6:21 a.m. Central. Taking a look at the pre-market crude. We had a VPOC shift overnight. Price came in yesterday, as we recall, and tested this trend line and bounced out of here. So our head and shoulder is holding for now. We may have another continuation of a right shoulder build before we crash down. Or this head and shoulders could fail, but right now the head and shoulders is still intact and still just hanging out with this right shoulder. We also have the stochastics pointing down, so I would expect this test of 60 again to fail and come back down unless we get a clear K bounce, KD cross back up. So it's still looking bearish on the daily, despite the hammer, and we do have a VPOC shift. So today it's pointing higher, although we do have an initial KD cross coming in, which we'll have to keep an eye on that and make sure to watch. The value high from yesterday should get tested, as well as the point of control. So we'll see what happens today with the market pushing back up out of here. But we clearly have momentum coming in. The buyers did step up at that bottom trend line, and they've pushed price up, and we have a VPOC shift. Volume point of control shifted higher than the previous one, where we had been trending down in a down pattern for several days, a week. Now we've shifted back up. So the do have also divergence on here. This shift, this push had much lower divergence, so I'm expecting to see this retest of the value high, maybe the point of control. So we'll see what happens. This area right here, if price does not reject out of here and come back up, if the buyers can't push it back out here, then I would be testing those lows again. So this area, when I say here and here, I'm sorry, 57.31, 57.30. If price breaks 57.30 to test this point of control, I think it's over for crude. It's going to come back down. This 57.30 line in the sand is my line in the sand, and I want to see this bounce out of here. And the reason I say that is this is low value, and you want price to reject low value to come to upper value. So anyway, we'll see what happens today. It's a Friday before the holiday, and we've got the momentum to the upside, although it's weak right now. Momentum is weakening. So I am expecting a retest. Thank you.